Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium problems are actually super easy if you know the right formula. Let's find the frequency of the heterozygous genotype for this specific population right now. First, we identify our variables where P represents the dominant allele A and Q represents the recessive allele A. Since P is 0.55, Q must be 0.45. Next, we use the standard Hardy-Weinberg equation for genotypes. The frequency of the heterozygous genotype AA is calculated by multiplying 2 times P times Q. This step is very important. Finally, we multiply 2 by 0.55 and 0.45. This gives us 0.495. That makes option D our final winner. Great job! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.